Hi there, and welcome to Virtual Desk Solution, where we teach basic computer classes. If you're new to learn computers, or you're just trying to get started to learn computers, this video is for you. So today I'm going to show you how to insert hyperlinks or links that can direct you to the browser and get uh, to access the information that you want to get on the internet. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. So basically, to add a hyperlink in your document, for example, if it's a Word document like mine here, so to add a hyperlink to your document, you'll need to select the text. So we have two options. We have adding a hyperlink in your text, or maybe adding a link to your document, which directs you to where you want to get or the browser. So to add a hyperlink, you need to select the words or the word that you want to be hyperlinked. Like for example, I want to use a link or click this link. For example, if this says this link, because most of the times this is how it looks like. So I'll just right click. And as I right click, as you can see, as I scroll down in this menu, I have an option called link. So under this section, I'll just click this direct button, direct bar, and then click insert link. So we will allow it to load. So once it loads, you'll go to where you want to get that link. For example, if it's a website that you want um freehold. So you'll need to get the link from I'm trying to get a link in British dictionary. I have this. So I want to put this as the link. So I'll go back to my document and then put in the email the link, sorry, and then click OK. So once I click OK, as you can see, this entire text has been hyperlinked. And if I click on this, open the link. The computer is trying to load the browser. So let's give it time. You see, we have been redirected to this page. So that's basically it. The other option of how to add a link is where you'll just need to select like that the word itself, then come to this section named insert. Once you click insert, then you'll come to this section named link. So once you click like that, you go to the same process, add your link here, and then click OK. So once you click OK, it will be hyperlinked the same way this text has been hyperlinked. And to remove the link, the hyperlinking, so you'll just do the same thing, then right click. Once you right click, then come to this section and remove the hyperlink. That's basically it. If you relate to this kind of content, or maybe you feel that this content was helpful to you, kindly consider liking, sharing, and see you in the next video. Bye.